Hey, what's up everybody? Landan with LMR.com. Got some sound clips today of the 1996 Eddie Bauer Bronco 5.8 liter and the new exhaust we put on it. And the exhaust setup is as follows. It has a set of JBA shorty headers, a Bassani catted mid-pipe, and a Bassani catback exhaust. All these parts are currently available from LMR.com. We'll leave a link to them down in the description, as well as the installation videos if you want to check those out. We're going to kind of run you through our normal exhaust clip stuff, takeoffs, drive-bys, you name it. So y'all enjoy it.